Hi, I'm Kelly, and these are my sisters Nancy and Karen. We love to travel, but, you know, the lockdown has put a hiatus on travel. So for Christmas this year, we are doing Vlogmas this year.
So join us every day this month up until Christmas as we try treats from around the world.
And bake different countries' traditional Christmas goodies.
And make Christmas
with Nancy,
crafts.
with Christmas crafts.
Yeah.
And talk to people from all over the world. We're so happy you're joining us. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
We're going to Scotland! We have some Highlanders grog. It tastes like rum and butterscotch. And this happens to be Sarah, our niece, her favorite coffee.
Pretty
It's
good.
a bit Americanized Scottish.
But it's good.
Mmm. Well, it tastes good with all our cookies, biscuits. Can of iron brew, Margaret? Some iron brew.
Stop peeking.
Iron brew.
What exactly is it? What flavor is an iron brew?
One,
Two,
three.
Oh, it's orange.
It's an orange soda. It's
Sorta. It's sorta a soda.
Get a cream soda.
a bit like cream soda, a bit like Crush. Look at that.
Yum!
Yeah.
Look how pretty it is.
Is
I'm
that
gonna
chocolate chips?
Well, I need that with my coffee.
Look at how pretty.
Sure.
Look how pretty though. It's all Christmassy. And they're gluten-free. And, you know, to be honest, I do think we have shortbread here in America. And we've had it before. All right, 1, 2, 3. Mmm. We have Narn's gluten-free biscuit breaks, oats and syrup.
It'll be a phone.
Wow, that looks plain. plain.
All right, a brisket.
Yum! Let's have brisket! Definitely, you want your coffee?
I do want my coffee.
Definitely good in your coffee. That's gotta be how they eat these.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
That's good. So I like it a lot.
Only dipped in
Dipped
coffee.
in my coffee.
If that's your favorite thing, let us know. What do we got now?
We have some gluten-free oat cakes.
Oh boy!
No, look
I'm not looking forward to trying an oat cake.
All right, ready for this oat cake? Wait, are you supposed to put something on this? Or is this how it's supposed to be? I don't know. Let me know, Scotland.
look like
I'm dipping mine.
All right, I'm just gonna bite into it. Here we go.
Look like a sugar cookie.
Well,
It's like a bowl of oatmeal.
probably shouldn't have dipped that.
Bowl of oatmeal all jammed together in a little
Really dry biscuit.
no.
That is definitely one to like cheese or a spread or something.
I think we did it wrong.
I think we did it wrong too.
I mean, it's not bad. It's just a thing.
It needs something.
It just needs something.
It's kind of like glue. You know? Not gonna lie, don't love it.
I am going to make mince pies today, and I am so excited. I'm making them gluten-free. I found a recipe at the National Trust for Scotland. Scotland. I'm going to Scotland today. And I'm Scottish.
Where'd they come from? How'd they?
Supposedly come from Scotland. I don't know for sure. Came into the New York area, I went to Bone, Kentucky, and then to DeSoto, Kansas.
So let's just get started. You just throw all the fruit and nuts into a bowl, set aside, and then you make your pastry. I need 60 grams of melted butter. So that translates to a 1/4 cup of butter. So 4 tablespoons is a 1/4 cup, or 60 grams of melted butter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have my melted butter. I need 3/4 of a cup of raisins, which is 85 grams of raisins. Let's go ahead and put the butter in the bowl. Measure out my raisins. There we go. 3/4 of a cup of raisins. 3/4 of a cup of golden raisins. I need 3/4 of a cup of currants. And then I need a 1/2 cup of mixed peel. Chop up my orange, candied orange peel here. Okay, just add that to it. And I need 1 apple. And 4 tablespoons or 60 grams of dark brown sugar. I need 1 chopped banana. I don't know if it's the banana that makes this a Scottish minced pie or what. There we go, 1 chopped up banana. And it calls for a teaspoon of mixed spice. Didn't know what that was, had to Google it. It's really similar to our pumpkin pie spice, so I'm gonna add a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. 1/2 teaspoon, another 1/2 teaspoon. We got a full-on teaspoon. Okay, so now I need 1/2 ounce. There we go. All right, and then I just mix this all up. There we go, there's our pie filling. All right, so then we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna make our pastry, or pie crust. All right, I need 2 3/4 cups of flour. 1, 2, and then I need a cup of butter, which is 2 sticks of butter. Hi, Charlotte. I need 3/4 cup of almond flour. There we go. And I need 1/2 cup of sugar. I need 2 egg yolks. 1 and 2. And 2 tablespoons of really cold water. Right. I had to add more water to my dough because I'm using a special gluten-free flour mix. So I'm just gonna put this in the fridge and wait for 1/2 hour. All right, my dough has chilled for 1/2 hour, and now I'm going to roll it out and use, I should have got those out already. I'm going to use my biscuit cutters, and I'm gonna make little pies in my muffin tin here. just gonna call that good. Thinking this is about the right size. I need 6.
Christmas is just around the corner.
I'm just sticking these in my little
Coming up, just around the bend.
baking pan. So now I'm going to put these in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. We just want the crust to get nice and done. Nobody likes a soggy bottom, right, Mary Berry? All right, the mince pies are ready to come out of the oven. Let's get them.
Gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the
Doesn't that look nice? Oh my gosh.
coming up, just around the bend.
So now I dust these with powdered sugar and then we let them cool and then we get to taste test them. Check it out, guys.
Wow.
I made mince pies.
They look like the real thing.
Is there meat in there? No meat, no meat. A mince pie for you. A mince
Yeah,
pie for
Charlie.
you. A mince pie for me.
Should we dress the pineapple in the room?
Go ahead.
I like it. So we have it.
We like it, so we have it. All right, we ready?
Got Frosty, Rudolph, Snowball, Snowflakes, Cookie Dough, and that old Scrooge. Firewood, fireplace, sugar plum, jingle bells, and Santa's little helper stew. Christmas
Tasty
is
good.
just
For a lot of
around the
reasons.
corner. Coming up, right down the line.
But the pie crust?
Amazing.
Amazing.
This is good. I like it.
Remember when I was a kid? Okay, maybe not a kid, and I had a fit about raisins.
Yeah, you don't like raisins. this whole series of videos is Karen, what Karen does not like.
Didn't realize I was a picky eater.
Pie crust is amazing.
Gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all.
Thank you, though.
It's just around the corner. Coming up, just around